Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm making carrot cake with cream cheese frosting. Here's how. First thing I need to do is preset a microwave convection oven. We're going to do manual convection bake because I like that I can control the time, temperature, and everything else. So we're going to put in select. Our time is going to be 350. Select, open the door, and start. Alright, let's get to it. One of the first things I need to do is shred these carrots to add to all of our ingredients. So let's get that going. We're looking for about 3 cups of shredded carrots after we have put them through our food processor. Let's see what we have. I would say we're good. Large bowl, you're going to mix your 3 eggs, your oil, your vanilla, your sugar, and your brown sugar. We use a mixer on low to mix this. We're going to add all of our dry ingredients together. Now that we have our dry ingredients together, we're going to add, in this large bowl, we're going to add our flour. Oh, I know, it's just so much all at one time. And I'm just going to take my fork and gently move it through. Now I'm going to add our carrots. Mixer on low again. What I'm going to do is put the mixer in and just mix this up. To add the raisins. And remember, we're only using a ½ cup of raisins. These are optional, and I like them in the carrot cake. A 9 by 13 inch pan. We're going to grease it or oil it, butter it. I do not flour it because I don't care for the flour sticking to the cake. Alright, so now we're going to pour this all in. We're going to bang the mixture a couple of times to get all the air bubbles out. Alright. And that sound is our microwave convection oven telling me it's ready. So we're going to put it in, and I'm going to put this on our top rack. This way it has air movement and air circulation going around it. Hit start, and we'll see in a few minutes. This time I've decided to put an apron on because I've learned from my last mistake making homemade frosting. Alright, let's get going. We start with our powdered sugar. We're going to add our cream cheese, and we're adding a whole package. And what I'm going to do is take it out in chunks. It's a little more manageable when you're trying to incorporate it into powdered sugar. Same thing with my butter. Alright. I don't know how this is going to work, but we're going to start by combining these. I have my mixer. I'm thinking I'm going to be just using my fork. If you have a large measuring cup, this is really a good way to do this because you have the handle to hold onto while you're mixing everything together. I'm going to add half of our heavy cream. Mix that in. I'm going to mix in our vanilla. The rest of our heavy cream. And I'm also going to add in our cinnamon and allspice. I like it with a little kick. At this point, I feel like I need just a smidge more heavy cream that we did not account for in our original recipe. So I think I'm going to add probably another 2 to 3 tablespoons. Now I'm going to use the mixture since we have most of our powdered sugar moistened, and it shouldn't fly everywhere. Now if you feel like your frosting is too thick, what you can do is what I'm going to do. I'm going to add just a little more of my heavy cream and see if that'll loosen it up a little bit. Now that the frosting is at a really thick consistency, just the way we want it, I'm going to put it aside until our cake is done. Alright, we'll see you in a minute. We're going to check to see if our cake is done. It's been in for about 34 minutes, and let's see how it turned out. I'm going to check it with the knife to see if it's done. And the knife is clean, it's done. We're going to let it rest for about 10-15 minutes before we flip it, and then we'll frost it. We'll see you then. Okay, we've let our cake cool, and I've decided to leave it in the pan because I do not have a plate for this. So we're going to just take and start frosting it. Right, and there you have it. Carrot cake with cream cheese frosting. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up, ring the bell for notification, subscribe, leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Alright, we'll see you next time. Bye!